Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get only girls on Chatroulette. Actually this is a small guide for Chatroulette. You can also install Chatroulette app from both stores. I have tried iOS and Android app and they are user friendly. You can try it. Now I am going to click on Start and I have to accept their terms and conditions. After that, I have to allow my camera. Once done, you will pop up a window like this. So I am going to log in using Google. Okay, after that you will see this kind of interface. First I am going to talk about quids. You can see I have 2 quids left, because I have used this site before. You can see you will receive 15 quids after you started first time. Also you will receive 50 quids when you had a good conversation. If someone chooses you, then you will receive 3 quids and every search costs 1 quids. Also you can buy quids if you want. Now let's talk about interest. In Omegle, best part is interest and you can also use that in Chatroulette. You can use this interest to find girls on Chatroulette. Now I am going to talk about country feature. You can select these any countries for free. I have tried all and best for me is USA. So I am going to select USA. Now you can see you have to show your page to start chatting Chatroulette. I can't start because I didn't turn on my webcam. You can try this website. I hope this video will help you. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.